So here are the very best tools to use if you want to grow your hair. Okay, someone asked me to show them the products that I would use if I wanted to grow my hair. Okay, the first one is a good shampoo with high actives of essential oils like ylang ylang, rosemary, and peppermint oil. These oils have been shown to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. You want to make use of this as a treatment. You want to make use of the circulation one tincture. This is very powerful. I use it on a daily basis because it's not only good for your hair, it's good for your upper body as well, for the brain, etc. Okay, very, very powerful. You want to make use of the neurological tincture. Okay, this is also helps blood flow to the head region, but also affects the brain and the nervous system. If you have poor memory, if you have brain fog, it's going to help you as well. Very, very powerful in the herbs in the. If you use these two religiously, I use them every day. You can't go wrong with them. I'm going to make use of a good tea. This is horsetail tea. Horsetail tea is needed because it provides you with silica. Silica is needed for healthy skin, hair, and nails. You will see improvements in your nails, hair, and skin. You need use it for a good 2 or 3 months to see maximum results. And you want to make use of a good hair oil like this. This is a long hair oil. It has high doses of essential oils in here with castor oil, which is fantastic for the scalp as well. Okay, if you do that, you're pushing blood flow to the scalp region. Okay, you are stimulating growth and your hair will grow nicely. You also want to make use of our favorite fruits, okay, like grapes. Why? Because when you have any kind of hair problems, it's the lymphatic system that's responsible. The system that removes waste or metabolic waste from your cells, if it's compromised, the waste stick around, it will affect the follicles. You have dry scalp, your hair won't grow nicely, hair will fall out. So these are the steps I would use and the tools I would use to grow my hair in a period of time. You need a good 2 or 3 months. You will see results quicker, but in general, 2 or 3 months is needed to see nice, healthy hair.